how to skip Fabletics VIP membership. Now in this video, I'll show you how you can skip the VIP membership on Fabletics. Now, you need to understand the very first instance that you have opt-in into their subscription. So say for example, you opt in to either of these specific subscription on Fabletics, you will automatically be opt-in into their regular basis. Now, if you head straight into the very top of their official site, you should be able to see this highlighted text that says you can skip by the 5th of every month to avoid a $69.95 charge for your membership benefits, which includes a monthly member credit. So again, all you have to do, say for example, you've used Fabletics via the application on your mobile device. All you have to do is to notify one of your calendar working on your phone prior to the 5th of each month. So say for example, the best way in doing that is on the third, I'm sorry, on the second or on the third, so you will have time to skip and you will not be charged for additional amount of your current membership on Fabletics. So that's the most convenient way to skip Fabletics VIP membership.